Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Catapult two-handed lady comb. Knowing how to do a Catapult and knowing how to do your basic combs would be really useful. Links to those in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to find them. Jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard catapult. We go back right to right. We go sweep. We go into the lean. We place both the lady's hands into the guy's left. We unsweep down the left-hand side. So bring the lady forward. Hand goes over to the left. As the lady's coming through, you'd normally be leading away and have both hands. But as the lady is still going back, we're going to transfer into our right. Take it over the lady's head so she gets 2 combs. We're still letting the lady move backwards, and all we're going to do is release and catch with the left hand. Okay, if we go to the other side, we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweep 2, transfer 3, unsweep 4 with the comb 5, and catch 6. So you're kind of doing the combs en passant. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, catapult, two-handed lady comb. Back, sweep, lean, unsweep, comb, and catch. That's the whole thing. I hope you find that one useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and if you check out the windows in the last few seconds of the video, one of them's a link to a music video which is nice, a tune that's nice to practice this too. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.